What's going on, guys? Got a quick little video here for you. As many of you maybe have done, I've put floor lights on the floor of my WRX, and I think they look great, but the problem is the cubby light isn't very bright. As you can see, it's pretty hard to see. When something's in there, it lights up pretty good, but as you can see there, it doesn't light up very bright. And I was actually going to go ahead and spend some money putting an LED bulb in here, because I assumed this was just like a red LED. When you look up underneath, you can see the bulb. There's actually a little rubber cover over the bulb. And if you take that cover off, look how much brighter that gets. Look at that. How cool is that? All it is this little cover that goes over that bulb. So I was actually going to pull this whole centerpiece out and replace that with a red LED, and now I don't have to. So obviously you can see it doesn't disperse the bulb as much. You know, you can see a more direct spot where it hits, but let's compare that again to not having or having that rubber piece on. It disperses it a little bit, but look how dim that is. And then as soon as you take it off, look at that. That is so cool. Free mod.